The beginning weeks of the new year are always hectic, with students going back to school, brand new Christmas gifts, needing a home, and that's what brings us to today's video. Just like everybody else heading back to school, I myself am going to be going back to the community college to finish my associate's degree in networking here in the coming semester, but I realized I didn't have any good quality bag that was safe to store my laptop in, and that's what led me to browsing on Newegg to find this Brinch laptop bag. This bag from Brinch is the 15.6-inch version, and I ordered it in black, although there is a variety of color options for you to choose from, including black, cyan, we have the gray, the purple, and also red. There's also different options for sizes of the bag in case you're using a Ultrabook, Chromebook, or maybe a MacBook Air setup with a smaller laptop screen and thinner case. The sizes go from 13.3 inches to 14.4 inches to the largest size, which I purchased at 15.6 inches. The bag is made of this really nice and sturdy feeling nylon material, which feels very scratch resistant and seems like it's even going to be not waterproof, but I don't think it's going to be an issue when you're, walking from your car to the office in the rain specifically, but it does feel safe. The bag has two main pockets, with one being a zippered pocket in the front held together by a single zipper, the other being the main laptop compartment on top with a dual loading zipper that is top loading. And another feature that is included in the bag is the messenger bag sling for easy access to the bag, which you saw me using in the first clip. And it also has a briefcase holder on the back for your traveling needs. The first pocket that's on the front is definitely the smaller of the two, but it's still going to be very useful for quick access items that you would need to store and have access to very fast. Items like your cell phone, watch, pens, glasses cleaner, items like that, maybe even headphones that you can just pop in there real quick and grab. It's a perfect container for them. I put my pens and phone in there, and I think that it's going to work great like that. The main compartment is accessed by unzipping the two top layer zippers that hold the bag together. And right in the back of that main first pocket is where the laptop compartment is. And it has pretty thick foam padding, so I feel like the laptop is safe in there, and it also comes with this Velcro strap that when I first initially put it on there, I wasn't able to secure my laptop. But the second time around, when I actually firmly pressed it on and made sure the Velcro was lined up nicely and neatly, it was pretty unstoppable, as you can see here. Also inside that main compartment is two divided folder pockets, I guess you could call them, that you can store your chargers, maybe your headphones, and other peripheral items like your mice in there, and hard drives that you wouldn't want to be easily accessed from the outside so someone couldn't just grab it from you. Overall, for the price point of this bag at $28 at the time that I purchased it, for the quality of the make of the bag and the features that it offers, you really can't go wrong with this, and I personally can't wait to start my semester off with this baby on my back.